All right, boys and girls, we're going to finish up this Go Math packet today, and we are going to skip some pages at the end, so I will let you know. This is going to be a super short lesson, okay? So I am going to go ahead and remember this page here is just black and white. There's no color on it, so you don't really need to do that because it's exactly like the one we did yesterday. If we were in the classroom, I would be sending this home for homework, but we've already done the exact same page, so I'm just going to get rid of that. So we're going to do the next 2 pages when you count the front and the back. That's 4, of course. And then the rest of it I'm going to throw away. Now, parents, if you want your kids to do extra work and you want to go through, there's some story problems here. To me, they're a little confusing. I'd rather just do story problems with them on Zoom. I like to use the kids' names and kind of make story problems up that have a little bit more meaning. But if you want some extra work or a challenge, you can go ahead and do these. And then at the end is the test. And we never use these for the tests. We have our own tests on ESGI that are similar, but it also says review. So sometimes we do use them for review, but I'm going to skip this. I think the kids have had enough practice on the numbers 6 to 9. We are going to do a couple fun pages the next few days, the Thanksgiving pages. And then when we come back after Thanksgiving, I want to get started on the teen numbers. And the next Go Math chapter is comparing numbers greater than, less than. Okay, so this packet, put your name at the top. All right, Mrs. J. It doesn't take me as long that way, right? And of course, you can get out your counters if you want. I still have these here from yesterday, so you can put these on there and count the real counters. But you don't have to. They put the nice picture there. Let's just make sure. Yeah, there we go. See, I had those all set up from yesterday. They fit just perfectly, right? Okay, so I've got 9. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're just going to trace these numbers. Start on the dot. They have arrows to show you. Now these, you know, my poem goes circle on the top, add a straight line. This is known as number 9. Okay, now this has a slanted line. Go ahead and just trace them the way they are. I don't mind. We used to slant our 9s, but look, when I turn that upside down, that looks like the number 6 kind of. So it's the way we make them now is circle on the top with a straight line, but you can trace them the way they are. And then let's count the little rubber duckies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 3 plus 3 plus 3. We're just going to trace over N-I-N-E. Okay, on the back of it, I always think these pages are kind of fun. It looks like they're at the carnival again, right? But this is a different game at the carnival. Little boy is doing a ring toss. He's going to try to toss that ring on the rubber ducky. If he wins, he might win a prize, a little bear, or one of those little spinny twirly things that go in the wind. Okay, well, we got a lot of stuff to count. Let's start with the teddy bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. I know you guys can do this by yourself, but I kind of like doing it too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I want to do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sometimes it's good to count things 2 times. I wasn't sure if I got them all. Okay, I'm going to X that out. We're looking for 9, aren't we? Let's do the rubber duckies. Now they're in a circle, so we got to be careful. I think I'm going to choose to start with this one, right underneath the little tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep. Okay, let's try these rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, there's 9 rings on that peg. Now, I don't think there are here because he has 2 in his hand. So there's 2 here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, there's not 9. What else could we count? I guess we could try these letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You think we got everything, boys and girls? I think we do. Okay. And then this one here, I'm not really going to go over it because it's practice for you guys to count. You can trace your 9s again. Okay. If you count 9, put 9. If it's not 9, put the number that it is. Sometimes kids think, oh, if it's not 9, I don't need to write it. No, yes, you do, because it's probably going to be 6 or 7 or 8. And so we want you to review all those numbers. Okay. And then on the back of it, you guys know how to do this. You just count the bears. If it's 9, we circle it. If it's not, we X it out. And down here it says, draw a set that has a number of objects 2 greater than 7. right? How many? Well, if it's 2 more than 7, we better start with 7. So we're doing a set of objects. I think turkeys will take too long. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do 7 little clouds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or they kind of look like popcorn, doesn't it? So I started with 7 because down here it says to draw a set that has a number 2 more than 7. So I started with 7, and if I do 2 more, 1 more would be 8, and 1 more would be 9. So we started with 7. I'll even show you. You don't have to do this, but we started with 7. We added 2 more because the number is 2 more than 7, which is 9. And kids don't have to do that. I'm just showing them why I did it that way, to follow the directions down here. And then that's it. That was the review page. That was easy math for today. And the next 2 days, we're going to be doing some things from your packet. Okay, thank you.